Hey guys, welcome back. Appreciate everybody subscribing and liking my videos. I've got a few comments as well. I sure appreciate those. Today's video is on the Mustang front frame rail. This would be on the driver's side. I got that all cleaned up and a new piece welded on it. I got pretty lucky. I didn't have to change out the whole frame rail section. Just had to change that outer cover. So again, appreciate you watching, and let's take a look at the video. Okay, I'm getting set up here to work on this passenger side front frame rail. I'm hoping I don't have to change the whole frame rail. I can just change this outer piece. I'm not seeing any evidence of bad damage, but if you watch my other video, it was pretty bad. I ended up changing it out. So if that's the case, then I'll have to consider changing this out too. Anyway, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So what I did is I took a die grinder with a scuff pad on it and just kind of went gently across the top to expose the spot welds. And you can see they're not in a straight line. They kind of go up and down. Anyway, I found them. I punched them, and then I drilled a little starter hole in them for my, this is the Walmart spot weld cutter. Anyway, so I'm going to drill this top one out. I'm going to cut along here. I can't get my drill in here to cut these. So I'm going to come through, get these, make this cut. I'll make another cut down here, and we'll take that piece off, and then figure out how I'm going to get this bottom piece off. I may just use a pneumatic chisel and see how it goes. So anyway, let's get started. Kind of interesting to know that nobody's seen inside of this thing for 55 years since it was put together. So there we go. A lot of dirt. Let me get a vacuum cleaner. I'll clean that out right quick. Sorry about the view. I got a lot of shadow lines in here, but I got that old fender brace out of the frame rail, and you know, I don't think there's a lot wrong with this. It's not like the other side. I'm not feeling any thin spots, so I'm gonna proceed to finish cleaning this up, get the surface rust off of it. I'll treat it with some Osfo and cut and weld my new piece on. I cut a little short in case I needed to go further back. I need to look at these bolts while I've got this open. I think there's some spacer type things in there to keep that from crushing, so I may take those out while I'm working on everything else. Kind of need to get them out to get that steering gear over so I can work on that inner or the rear fender apron. So we'll see what happens here, but I think it looks pretty good. Well, it turns out it's a good thing I didn't cut that outer piece. There's a nut in here that I'd broke a bolt off in when disassembling the front end. And I had to cut that outer frame rail back a few more inches to get a new nut in there. And I got it spot welded in and worked out just fine. Okay, this is the final cleaning on it. Got it cleaned up the best I could, and I'm getting ready to shoot it with the Osfo, and it's that phosphoric acid stuff that'll neutralize it. So getting ready to spray that on and do my final fit. So there's the wet Osfo in there. So it really did a pretty good job on cleaning all that rust up and neutralizing it as well. So real pleased with the Osfo.